When we asked the KSL News colleagues, what is your hit recipe of summer, we had no trouble convincing our friends to drop over and share. So the KSL team cooks all this week on Studio 5. It's sort of like a block party potluck, one dish at a time. Our guest today, news anchor Ashley Moser. It's so good to get you over here.
Thank you, Brooke. I love it.
Ashley and I are in frantic catch-up mode, and I was excited for this series for two reasons. One, like you and I, we work on opposite ends of the day shift.
We never see each other.
I know. So it really is a friend-to-friend catch-up. And two, I kind of like turning the tables on you and like asking you the questions.
Hey, I like this. It feels different, but it's fun.
Well, we know from the last time you were here that you love to cook.
Love to cook.
And you're sharing another Hawaiian recipe with us today.
It's interesting. It's called Hawaiian mac salad. So if you've ever had a plate lunch, this is on your plate lunch. You maybe have not noticed it. It's that little scoop of macaroni, mayonnaise, potato salad. It sounds weird, but
it works.
It's so good. And it's fun because the history behind it. So I had to do some research. So, okay, 1880s. That's when a lot of people from Philippines, Korea, Japan, China, Portugal even, Puerto Rico came over to work on the plantations.
Okay.
My family actually came over for the plantation work as well.
Oh, wow.
And so, okay, so they worked these long days. They couldn't bring, lunch with them. It'd be hard to bring lunch and keep it cool.
Sure.
So started, this whole business of people coming with wagons and, giving food out, and that was their business. And so all these different little, local Hawaiian foods came to be, and mac salad was one of them.
That's when it first was born.
Which is cool.
I said when I walked into the studio, I love that piece of history.
Right?
Thank you for sharing that. I said, you're making a salad, and Ashley goes, well, not healthy.
It's a little different.
Not a healthy
Not
one.
at all.
I was surprised there's pasta and potatoes, right?
Yeah, we need starch, we need carbs, we need energy, Exactly. So you kind of start with the potatoes. So I boiled these potatoes. I do about 3 potatoes.
Okay.
Cut them up. I like kind of bigger cubes.
Can I help you with one?
Please do. So boil them. You want them soft. You want them, and with a pasta too, you don't want al dente. Like this is you just need.
Cook it all the way.
You need mushy things.
Go
sounds
for mush.
weird.
We rarely hear cooks recommend that, but we'll take your
I know, right? And that's the thing.
That.
Hawaiians, they do things a little backwards, but
but it ends up tasting amazing. So I'm not going to ask any questions.
Yes. Okay. So you got the potatoes. Pretend that's all chopped up. Eggs also. So this is our protein.
Yes.
It's a whole meal. Could you put all of these in here for me?
I sure can.
About 5 eggs. This is a cup of macaroni pasta cooked.
Okay, I love the slicer.
So you got the eggs. Yeah, I know, right?
I love it. Are you slicing it 2 ways?
I do it 2 ways.
Two ways.
So those little slices.
Yep.
And what's
I hope I didn't just. Did I just break your slicer?
You just did, but that's okay, bro.
What did I do? How did that happen?
I don't know.
I'm fired.
I've never done that before, but that's okay.
I would not be hired on the plantation to bring around the lunch wagon. That's the truth.
Maybe not, but it's okay, bro.
It's still working. I'll get you a new one.
Oh my gosh, don't worry about it. It was like $3 at IKEA.
We're like, Ashley, come play with us, and we'll just break all of your kitchen tools. No big.
I will say that was one of my favorite things. It's totally fine. Okay.
Okay.
So pretend those are all chopped perfectly.
Pretend these are all diced perfectly. I'm so sorry.
Amazing. No,
Holy
it's fine. You know what? We'll just mix it in there, and you won't even notice the big chunks of egg.
All right.
So you put all of this together, and we let that sit for a second, and then I need you to do the dressing. So,
guess what?
Guys, if you're really healthy, just close your eyes for a second.
Plug your ears.
Plug your ears. Yeah. So this is pickle juice.
Okay, that's what I've been smelling, right?
Yes, 2 tablespoons of that.
Okay.
Pickle juice, if you could mix that up while I put because I don't really measure, but I think like a tablespoon.
You're one of those cooks. You can just kind of dash of this.
Yeah, it's fine. The more the merrier.
Do your colleagues know? Do Mike and Dave and Dee know what a good cook you are?
I pretend that I don't cook, and we all go to Crown Burger for dinner.
Okay, so then you're not required to bring the treats.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Good strategy.
So you got the dressing. I got the potatoes, eggs, and pasta.
We've got a minute left.
Okay,
Here we go.
Do this?
We can do this.
Pickles? Okay, pickles. Carrots and peas, because we're healthy, right?
Yes, of course we are.
Okay, so we're gonna just put this all in here.
And you put the dressing in ahead of time.
Put the dressing, yep. And so, if you want to mix that up for me.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
I will.
So you mix this all up.
Okay.
Deliciousness.
Does this mean memories for you when you taste this?
Family would be proud, I think.
Good,
good. And then that's the thing. There's variations of how you can make this, but you always, and this is like a rule.
Her fingers out, people.
Always use an ice cream scooper to put it on your plate.
Okay.
Right? And so we got the finished product right there. You always have 2 scoop rice, 1 scoop mac salad.
Looks awesome.
Yes,
Ashley, thank you so much.